Hello viewers, welcome back to another episode of Chem Sparks with Anita. Okay, so we have another question on the board, and this is a question on solubility, and we are going to use two approaches or two methods to answer this question. The first method is the formula method, and the second method is the statement of facts method. In order not to make this video to be very long, I'm going to split the video into two parts. So the part one and the part two. In this part one, I'll be using the formula method, and then in part two, I'll be using the statement of facts method. So do well to check out the two parts, okay? So let's proceed with the first method or the first approach, which is a formula method. Okay, so we go as follows. Solution. First of all, what is solubility? Solubility is defined as the amount of solute that can dissolve in 1000 cm cube of the solution or 1 dm cube of the solution at a given temperature. Solubility is the maximum amount of solute that can dissolve in 1000 cm cube or 1 dm cube of the solution at a given temperature. With this in mind, the formula we use in calculating solubility is this. Solubility is equal to mass of solute or mass of salt, as the case may be, over molar mass of solute. In most cases, these solutes are salts, okay? No, it's meant to be singular. Mass of salt, then times 1000 cm cube over volume. Okay, now we are making use of this formula because the volume given to us in the question is in cm cube, so that is why we have 1000 cm cube over the volume. Had it been the volume given to us in the question is in dm cube, then this 1000 cm cube would be written as 1 dm cube. I hope you are following, right? Okay, then another thing to note is this formula here, this mass of salt over molar mass is equal to number of moles. So that is the formula we use in calculating the number of moles of a salt or of a compound times 1000 cm cube over volume. So let's substitute in the values given to us in the question into this formula. The number of moles given to us is 0.02 moles. So we have 0.02 times 1000 over, the volume given to us here is 25 cm cube. So over 25. When we multiply out and divide, 0.02 multiplied by 1000 is going to give us 20 over 25. And 20 over 25 will give us 0.8. Okay, so 0.8. The unit for solubility, because we're giving this in moles and not in grams, so the unit of solubility is going to be mole per dm cube. So we have 0.8 mole per dm cube. So option B is our answer. Now let's solve this using the statement of facts method. We will see that in the part 2 of this video. Stay tuned and don't miss watching the part 2 of the video so that you will see the statement of facts method. Thank you.